So I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can install Claude Code on your Mac. And the whole thing just takes a couple of minutes. And you start by heading over to claude.ai to set up an account. If you don't have one, that's okay. You can click on Continue with Google, or you can type in your email. So one thing to know up front is that Claude Code does require at least the Pro plan. The Pro plan is only $20 a month, so if you're just starting out, then that's the move that I would take. You can always bump up to the Max plan if you want to, if you need more usage. But in this case, we're going to click the Pro and get going. Okay, once you're in and your billing is set up, you'll land on the main Claude screen. But we're going to go ahead and disregard this because we're going to install Claude Code instead. And you can do that by heading over to code.claude.com/docs. Now, everything you need to know is on this page. And what we're going to do, because we're looking for Mac OS, is we're going to scroll down until we find Mac OS, and then we're going to look for native install, which happens to be right here. Now we have to open up your terminal to get this going, and you can do that by hitting Command Spacebar and typing in terminal. And what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the page. We're going to copy the line script here, go back to terminal, and just paste it in and click enter. Okay, we gave it a second. Now it shows that Claude Code successfully installed, and all we have to do is type in Claude. And now you should see the welcome screen pop up, and that is it. Claude Code has been installed.